So I'm going to start uploading more videos to YouTube as a way to kind of keep myself accountable. So I opened up a new 150k Eval challenge, and today, Friday the 30th of May, was the first day trading it. So let's go through the trade I took, entries, exits, and a little bit of a reflection on why I took it. So we've got two 150k accounts and we made $1,000 on each of them, so 2,000 total. We were trading NQ longs. So coming into the day, let's have a look at SPY. Usually I don't trade the first hour of market open. After doing a lot of back testing, I've kind of found that most trades present themselves at around 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's UK time. So looking at the S&P, let me just pull up the 30-minute chart. So we opened up, we were underneath the 200 EMA, and then we got a nice bullish engulfing above the 200 EMA. So still no real confluence for me there yet. Still above prior day low, below prior day high. I'm kind of just ping-ponging between these pre-market highs and pre-market lows. If I jump into the 3-minute chart, ideally what I want to see is if I just pull up the options premium, this kind of tells me on the short term and the long term time frames what my bias is. So if we go to Friday's open, both the calls and puts are below the 50 SMA, so it's kind of telling me that we've got a neutral market. I've got no real bias. So we came up to around about half 520, 525. Pull up NQ or QQQ. 525 is here. I'll just put so 525 is around about here. So we've pretty much gone through prior day low and continue to the downside. We break pre-market low as well. So I was looking for a short entry here, as we can see from the options premium chart, the 10 SMA is crossing the 50 SMA in a bullish trend. So I was looking for entries around about here. If I just switch to the 2-minute, ideally I wanted a retracement coming down here, then up to the 20 EMA, and then continuing downwards. Usually on the 3-minute, I do like the entry of the 3-minute, but we didn't really get a retracement close enough. If I just switch over to NQ, I didn't want to be risking more than 20 to 30 points for entry. So if we see here, we're at 282, and if I was to put my stop loss at the next kind of key level above the 20 EMA, probably this level here. What is that? How many points is that? It's almost 40 points there. So I did not want to enter there, so I kind of missed that move down. If I just go back to the options premium chart, then basically we came up, we were just hovering above the 50 SMA. Calls were just kind of staying under, and then we came to this point here. We did get a tiny bounce off the 50, but then kind of just hovering here, and this kind of signaled to me that we were going to get a negative cross on puts, which tells me that my bias is bullish at the point of cross. So the point of the cross was between 7:05 to 7:15. So looking at 7:05 to 7:15, So it's this area here. So this was my area here for longs. So my actual entry was, let me have a look. So my entry price was, where's my entry? Here, 192. So this was my entry. My stop loss was this low here, below the 20 EMA. And with my kind of strategy, I do usually just let my profits run until I break this 20 EMA, which is the pink one. But as you'll see in a second, I didn't follow that. So we get a nice push off here, and I closed out 242. 242 there. Let me put this in gold. So that was my exit. Entry, stop loss, exit. And then I did move my stop loss to break even once we got above these highs. So looking back at this now, I shouldn't have not. I should have stayed in my position all the way, just riding this 20 EMA all the way up until if I was pulling my stops. So this is a new low after flagging, then we come down. This is a new low, I would bring it to here, then I move up. This is a new low, then basically here, another new low, bring stop loss up to here, another new low, I'll bring the stop loss up to here, and then basically I would have got stopped out here. So if I just followed my strategy by entering here and exiting there, probably would have made 4 to 5 times what I made instead of just this move here. So that's something to work on. A little bit of FOMO, a little bit of greed as well. So yeah, that's something to work on in the future as well.